So hey guys, thank you for watching my previous video and giving me such a love. So today's my video is on making a paper bag. So let's get started. So आप लोग ये देख ही रहे होंगे, ये पेपर बैग मैंने बनाई है. मिनी सी पेपर बैग है. या शो केस में या ऐसे आपको स्कूल में या किसी में आपको क्राफ्ट देते हैं तो उसके लिए भी काम लगेगा. सो तो ये ऐसे ही बैग हम बनाएंगे आज. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो द मटेरियल आर that we are going to use in this paper bags are one A4 size paper, one black pen, one red pen, one scale of 30 centimeter, one cutter, a fabric color, any of that which you like it, and a brush and a Fevicol. These are the materials which we are going to use in today's craft. Hey guys, let's get started with this video. So I am going to take this A4 size paper. It's a pure white paper. If you guys have a colored paper, you can use that also. But in case of you don't have a colored paper, you can use this pure white paper also. Now we are going to measure a 15 centimeter into 15 centimeter paper. We have to cut it. So we are going to measure that from here. The point I have already given. One point is here and one point is here. So now we have to cut this. So that I have measured 15 from here and 15 centimeter from here. So we have to fold this. We have to join this point and this point like doing this. And now we have to cut the sides and we have to use this square paper which will be arrived. So let's give some transaction to this. So it is ready. So this is a square part which just came out from we have cut it. This is 15 centimeter and this is also 15 centimeter. So the paper which is wasted paper, we don't have to throw this into dustbin. We have to put this aside right now. So we will use this paper for this bag holder. So let's get started with making this bag. So first of all we are going to fold this paper in this half. Then we are doing this paper straight. So line will be straight and then we have to join this line to this point. And you have to also see that all points are merged. All points are merged. You have to see that, and not a single paper is coming out from it. Otherwise your bag will be not ready proper. After doing this, you will see a cross in front of the paper. So now you have to join this point in a midpoint of the paper. At this point in a midpoint of this paper, and we have to do this in any of a two side of a paper, not each and every four side. We have to fold this and merge this in a midpoint, and you have to press it well so this kind of lines will come. Now we have to keep this paper as it's a shape of a kite. Now we are going to merge this point with the first line of a midpoint. So you have to do it very properly, otherwise your paper bag will be not able to look like a paper bag. It's like this. Now you will open. You have a 1 2 mid line, 1 and 2 lines. You can see guys. And now we are going to fold this point till this second line. and press it well so a third line will occur. I have to do this thing on both sides. And here's the second line. So there will be 3 lines left side and 3 lines on right side. 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3 lines on left side, and 1, 2, 3 lines on right side, and this is a mid line. You have to press it very well. If you will not press it very well, this line will be not visible at all. Now you have to open it and fold it again in a mid line. This is our main mid line, but we have a horizontal mid line. We have to put there, so our lines will occur. This is a first, second, third mid line, first, second and third. Okay, now we will take an equal measurement by our mindset. This is not like you can take 1 centimeter, you can take 1.5 centimeter, but more than that you can't take. So yeah, this is ready. So now we have to fold this paper on a first line, which is a side of a mid line. First line. So and make sure that this line and the paper of this line merge. If they will not merge, the bag will not be proper. We will open this and we will put paper like this. You will see 1, 2 and 3 lines and a pop-up in a between. You have to make a point with any of thing, with pencil, pen or anything, between first, this is mid line and this is the first line. So this first line and the second line's mid, we have to take it. If you will see there, you will see a triangle occurring on there. You have to keep a point there. This is a vertical. Now we have to put a paper in a horizontal. We have to take this point on this dot and mention that you are doing it properly. Please don't try again and again in one paper. Paper can be teared. So now we will turn the paper and fold the paper from the mid line. There are 3 lines occurring, first, second and third. We have to fold it from a second line, and it will be folded easily due to we have already folded. So this kind of page is ready. Now we have to fold the paper in this line and we will turn it back and fold as that way only. We will fold on this side. So I have folded it from the both the sides. So we have to do a same thing again, and that is the first line. We have to fold it again, and please fold it properly. We have to see that this line is also merging toward this visible line, and this is also merging with this line too. And same way here. So our paper bag is half of ready, not full of. So now the paper is ready. You can see paper is ready. So now we will fold this. So I have folded from this side and this side. Now we have to fold this inside side. The wastage paper that we have not thrown and put it aside, we will take that paper and cut any of the side of a paper like this, and we will measure that what type of bag size is. So on a bag size we will decide. I'm doing randomly. I'm not doing it. I have taken this part and tear random 0.5 or 0.5 centimeter this rope. Now we will attach this on a bag. That glue may stick the paper properly. So our bag is fully ready. You can see this. We have kept a holder too. And this fabric paint is for paint this side and all over. If you only want to make a bag with a white color, you can keep it as it is, or else when we have cutted white square paper, only that time you have to colored it properly, and then you have to fold all the papers and whatever I have tell you all to do for making this bag. And now we are going to make eyes on this to make it attractive. And now we will use a red pen for filling a tongue color and for filling some blush under the eye. So our bag is ready. This is a big size of bag and this is a small size of bag. So this is around 20 into 20 centimeter of paper. This is if you will take a 20 into 20 centimeter of paper, it will be this size of bag. And if you will be taking 15 into 15 centimeter, your bag will be like this. So this both are bags. This I have made before and this I have made today on the screen to share how the paper bags are done. in a slow motion, because I have seen so many videos but no one has explained this in this detail. So I thought I should share this in detail and in slow motion, because everyone are doing this in 5 minutes or in 2 minutes. So we also can't understand what is going on, how to do, where we have to do. So this video is in slow motion in very detail of this bag craft. You will see this video on a YouTube, but not like this video which I have make it this in a very detailed video and in a very small video, in very slow motion video. So yeah, if you like my video, please, so if you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment me below did you like this video or not, and what further videos I do shoot. So yeah, let's complete this video here only, and be safe and be happy.